Hey guys, so this is the fastest way to connect Slack to N8N, and I'll start over here by setting up a fresh account. Just so you guys know, I'm starting from the beginning. I'll name it my name, AI X Next. I don't want to invite anyone, so we'll just skip this. I'll go with the limited free version. Okay, great. So right here, we're gonna go down to add apps over here. Okay, so we're gonna go on over here to browse apps and we're gonna hit build, and now we're gonna hit create an app. We're gonna do from scratch. I'll just name my app test video. I'll pick the workspace we just created earlier and hit create app. Okay, so now we have all this gibberish. Yay. Okay, so I know this might look complex, but we're gonna make it as simple as possible. I just wanted to go back to our flow here and kind of explain. So there are two parts where the Slack is involved. The first one being the Slack trigger. This detects if a message has been sent on Slack. And then the second one is the send message. And this basically just gives the bot the ability to post a message on Slack. Okay, so we're going to go over here to our send a message module. We're going to hit credential to connect to it. It's going to suggest OAuth 2. We're going to do connect my account, and it's going to give us this little pop-up. We're going to do the workspace we just created earlier, hit allow. And great, we're connected. So if I go down here and I do send message to channel from list, I will be able to see all the channels in my Slack, which are these channels. So I'm going to select the first one. I'm going to do simple message text. I'm going to say hello. I hit execute step. And now if I check Slack, oh, this is the one I tested earlier. Sorry. This is the new one. You can even do test 2. All right. So as you can see, it got posted. Okay, great. So we're able to send a message. Now we're gonna take a look at the feature to read a message. So we're gonna go back here to our page with all the information. We're gonna hit OAuth and permission. We're gonna scroll down to add an OAuth scope, and this is basically telling the bot what it can do and cannot do. So you want to add any permission that has to do with writing or reading messages. Okay, so I went ahead and gave it all these permissions. You could do whichever ones you want. So we're going to go back on N8N here, and we're going to set up the webhook now. As you can see, we're going to go with the test URL, but this is very important. When you're actually going to make your flow go live, it's going to use the production URL. So you want to use this URL. So now we're going to go with the test one. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go over here. I already pasted it and paste my new one here. Okay, now I'm going to hit save URL. And now that we're ready, we just want to hit install to our workspace. We're gonna hit allow. Okay, great. So it gave us this bot user OAuth token that we're gonna copy. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna do create new credential, and we're gonna paste in our OAuth token. We're gonna save that, and as you can see, connection tested successfully. Okay, so now we're gonna go to this section right here, and this basically decides when to trigger the hook, the webhook that we set up. So it could be upon a mention, it could be when a new message is posted to a channel, etc. So I'll just do bot app mention. So only trigger when we mention the bot, and I'm going to select my channel over here. Okay, so if we hit execute step over here, or actually hold on, let's copy the test URL from earlier here. We hit execute step. If we go down here to this page and go to event subscriptions, turn that on. We'll paste our URL here, and as you can see now, it's verified, and we'll go to subscribe to bot events, and we're going to do add bot user. For now, we're just going to do app mentions. So this is essentially saying, hey, when do I listen? So we're going to choose app mention, and we're going to save changes. Okay. So if I go here on my Slack channel and I mention the bot test video, I say, hey, pal. As you can see, we received our message right here. It says, hey pal. So our bot now detected that a message has been sent. Okay, great. So we can now receive a message as well as send a message. So let's put it all together. So as you can see here, our Slack trigger worked. We're going to connect it to our AI agent, and we're going to do the source here. We're going to say define below. And now for the prompt, which is the user message, we want to grab the text that we received from the Slack message. So that would be here, the hey pal, right? Now what we can do is we can have a system message say, hey, you are a helpful assistant. That, I don't know, that makes jokes, whatever. If we press here on execute step, you'll see that our AI answered to our "Hey pal." It says, "Hey pal, I'm all ears," and all punchlines and all that cringe shit. Okay, so now the obvious last step is to post whatever this clanker says on Slack. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna connect it to our Slack module. We're gonna open that up, and in our message text here, we're just simply going to grab the output from our AI agent, put it here, and execute step. Yeah, so as you can see, if I go over to the channel here, it's gonna say, "Hey pal, I'm all ears," blah blah blah. So let's do a final run and see how it all goes. So let's say I'm gonna mention my bot here at test video. I'm gonna say, "Make me a joke," all caps, because it's an order. As you can see, the AI is running now and it sent the message. So let's check this joke. "Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field." There you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching.